We are the researchers from grade 12 STEM Mendel. I am Jasper,
I am Althea.
I'm Jeremy.
I am Rachel and I am Ben.
and it is our pleasure to introduce to you our very own product, Apilux. This soap is made from natural ingredients which help us to nourish and moisturize our skin.
We made sure that our product is both effective and safe to anyone. To guarantee this, we tested the banana peel soap on our own skin, carefully checking for any skin reaction before letting other people use it. This shows our dedication to make sure that our product is safe for everyone who uses it.
We're also very careful during the production process to make sure that every step follows the safety guidelines. The soap is made with only three simple ingredients, which is banana peel, glycerin, and coconut oil. Banana peel has many skin benefits, including brightening the skin, glycerin that keeps moisturize the skin, making it smooth and hydrated, and coconut oil nourishes the skin and has antioxidants.
This product is perfect for anyone looking for a gentle, soothing, natural skin solution. And we believe it can really help improve the way people take care of their skin. We are excited to share it with you and hope you find it as helpful as we did during our research and testing.
Thank you again for your time, ma'am. We look forward to hearing your thoughts and feedback on our banana peel moisturizing.
Any question regarding
Regarding our
product?